Global influence requires a narrative. It requires positioning. You have to, in our age, it is cheaper than in the age of our parents. They had to pay magazines and international media and all of that. But if you, for example, manage your Facebook well, you start changing your global narrative from there. You see. So what I'm trying to say is that you cannot go global and stay global without that digital mastery or narrative. You have to learn how to publish for a global audience. You have to learn how you can write books, articles, appear on international media, not just local media. That's a good start. But you have to begin to craft a strategy around your work, and the KPI, the objective, the vision of that, your strategy is to elevate your profile globally. You have to begin to do that. Because at higher levels of global influence, reputation is not left to chance. No, you don't wake up and you become a reputable voice. No, it is small-minded people that are leaving their reputation to chance. That's why you cannot treat your social media platforms carelessly. It is costing you more than you think.